Halo everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Anu.education. And before we start, please to subscribe, comment, and share. And then for right now, we'll learn about working with power tool hand grinding. Safety, health, environment considerations. Using work as in the form of power tools hand grinding has the potential for dangers in the work of number one is mechanical hazard. A. Entangles in rotations. B. Exposed to materials fragment, grinding stones, fragment, grinding chips, and spark from grinding. Number two is electrical hazard. A. Electric shock from electric hand tool, grinders, drill, and B. Electric shock from the cable extensions. Number three, temperature hazard. A. Exposed to the heat. And number four, gravitational hazard. A. Falling from a height. B. Falling from the same level. C. Falling object. And number five, lifting. A. Working with loads, lifting equipment, manual lifting. And the last one is ergonomic. A. Fatigue and unsafe positions. And next, hand grinding tools. Grinder. The picture this functions from the grinding. Hand grinding is can be used to cut iron pipes, ceramics, tiles, and other material using the appropriate cutting disc. Number two, use the scrap of smooth metal or concrete surface using a coarse grinding stone. And number three, sharpening equipment to sharpen work tools such as knife, hose, and the other sharp object. Number four, removing rust or oil paint using the wire wheel or flap disc, hand grinding, and can clean rust, painting residue, and the crust on the metal surface. Number four, Number five, surface finishing to smooth the surface or contour of the welding results so that there are not sharp. And number six, sharpening material can be used to form certain parts of the metal or other material as needed. And tools names is abstractive wheel or brass. The function is surface grinding use the wear down material, especially metal, such as when smoothing well or spot surface. And number two, cutting material. With the cutting ship type, surface wheels can be used to cut metal, steel pipes, and the other hands material. And number three, surface smoothing and remove bulb or irregularities on the surface of material of metal, concrete, or stone. And four, sharpening sharp tool used in the workshop to sharpen knives, seals, or the other metal tools. And the last one is cleaning rough surface and remove well scale, rust, and residue material from the work surface. And tools number three is a seal for the helmet. The function is protect the face from flying particles such as metal chips, welding spark, coarse dust, and the other materials during grinding, cutting, drilling, etc. Protections from the chemical or the hot liquid spells sustainable in a laboratory environment, chemical industry, and the factory that use hazard chemical and the heat. And the number three, prevent injury from the sub-object from the example in metal cutting and sanding or using machine with the potential for small objective. And number four, protection for the light radiation. Sometimes some special fast the seal, then with a UV or air filter can be protect against bright light, UV rays, or the mild region heat. And number five is increase safety without reducing fashionable of the strong clean materials such as polycarbonated that the allow clean fissions while the remaining protection. And the Preparation work. The purpose of the job preparation is to so that the work can be done safely, effectively, and efficiently by using work aids in the form of the power and hand grinding. Number two, tools and material can be ready in the console suitable for the use and according to start. And number three, potential hazard is using the hand grinding can be controlled. And work step prefer to those other work equipment and the dangers is hand travel and the control use gloves. Work step number two, determine the type of grinding and the grinding stone that the choose the media to be working on and the dangers is hand caught in the safety guard and the grinding stone cracking or broken. And the control is avoid pinch point and the stiff guards. Use the worst glove as the selections of the hard sides in the form of the power tools based on the type of work, grinding, cutting, and the surface cleaning. And quarter number four is the visual inspections of the grinding stone. Make sure the RPM and the grinding stone is the greater than the RPM of the grinding machine. Preparations work step checks in the conditions of the grinding. The danger is electrodes and the control make sure the breaker of the off and the position off and perform of the machine's guardian conditions check. The danger is hand caught in the safety guard and control a flight pinch point of the safety guard. Worksheet number three, perform a running test on the power tool without the grinding stone of brush. The danger is electrical hazard, electric shock. The control is install the LCB and the replacement and make sure the LCB is in the good condition. Worksheet number four, perform a checks on the grinding stone by performing a sound test. The danger is crushed by the grinding stone. Control use the gloves. Installing grinding machine equipment, the purpose of the operations hand handling is to ensure that the workpiece is the process in accordance with the safe work procedure and the procedure's quality work. And work step is remove the plug or hose from the power source and install the guard or the grinding guard, tighten the screw and make sure the grinding guard doesn't move anymore. And the danger is compressed air and electric hazard or electric shocks, hand trapped, falling object being lifted and handling impede, slamming over material while working, scratches by the solid object. You can the control is don't point the eye holes of the body, always use the glasses properly and correctly, ensure the work area is the free from the sketches object, use standard safety shoes, install the LCB or the reflectors and make sure the LCB in the good conditions. Control is number six. Make sure the extension cable and the grinding cable are the good conditions. Use standard work gloves and always focus on the working and avoid sharp edge on the grinding. Avoid pinch point and use standard tool and according to their functions. And work steps number three, install the grinding handler is necessary and install the grinding list access grinding stone and the following others, inner flange and a plastic part, wheel and lock nut. And press the shark lock and tighten the lock nut with a specially scale. Make sure the safe lock doesn't lock when the grinding is running. Using a hand grinding work step is one number one. Install the barricade or guard sets the switch to the off positions, rotate the grinding skill manually and ensure that the grinding wheels doesn't run around and rotates freely, and connect up to the power source and positions the grinding wheel with the grinding agile of the more than 15 degrees. Avoid grinding in the directions BC picture from the new grinding wheels when grinding for the first time. There are the five danger hand trap, slip out, fall, or off live object, hand tablet, and foreign of the egg. You can control with the egg control is use standard gloves, use standard tools that are processed for the functions. Avoid pinch point, use standard safety shoes and use the vessel to combat with the head protector. Install the LCB on the receptacle and make sure that the LCB in the good conditions. And number seven, make sure the extension cable and the grinding cable are the good conditions. And the last one is do not press to the hard when grinding. Work step hand using grinding number two. Turn on the grinding by setting the switch on the off positions and put down or the sort the grinding after the grinding stone have the complete stopped running. Danger number six is electric hazard and electric smoke and grinding stone broke safety guard and control avoid jerks during the grinding process. Make sure the grinding stone UPM is greater than the grinding machine RPM. Make sure the grinding stone safety guard and its fastening bolt are installed tightly and correctly and the machine in the off condition. Replacing the grinding stone or brass. Work step number one, positions the switch off and disconnect the plug or hose from the power source. Remove the upraised grinding wheel in the following order. Choose loosens the lock nut, remove the grinding wheel and the replace it. Press the safe lock nut with a special key. Make sure the soft lock doesn't lock when the grinding is running. The danger are number one, electrical hazard or electrical shocks, hazard of a residual power in the grinding, point objects in the eye, hands trapped, hands impelled. And the control is use work gloves, use standard safety glasses, make sure there is no remaining power by turning in the power to the off position, remove the receptacle from the power source, avoid direct hand contact when cleaning, use the cloths, use standard tools and use standard safety shoes. Finishing the work using power tools hand grinders objective to ensure that supporting tool remain in the good conditions. Work step number one, remove all attachment attached to the grinding, clean the grinding and work area, collect tools and the other equipment and clean them, collect waste and trash according to type. The danger are hands scratches by the sharp edge of tools, hands caught scratches and the punctured environmental pollutions between wells, sleeping. Control with use work gloves, avoid pinch point on the tool, use work gloves, dispose of waste the appropriate trash bin. Use safety shoes, keep material out of the reach of the people. Reference from the hazard about sumber daya mineral, about the number one years one conclusion. Working with power tool, especially hand grinding, is an activity that requires skill, vigilance, and complete with the work safety procedure. The use of things tool is very effective for cutting smooth or scrap metal surface and other harsh material, but also that is high risk of the work accidents such as injured spark and eye damage due to flying particle. There, wherever it is very important for working too. Number one, ensure the tool in the good conditions before use. Use personal protection equipment (PPE), such as safety glasses, earplugs, face shield, and heels residence gloves. Follow safe work procedures and honors the characteristics and functions of the type of grinding wheels used. Keep the work area neat and free from the flammable materials. With the implementation of the K3 occupations safety and health standard, adequate training and good supervision, work using hand grinding can be carried safely and efficiently and products of optimal work quality. Okay, thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If my name is Stage, please you can come back from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.